Hi, my name is Catherine and I'm a craftaholic. Welcome to my craft room and my channel. Hi everybody, welcome back. Welcome to my very warm craft room. First of all, I would like to apologize that there was no vlog last week. I hope you weren't too disappointed that I gave you a tutorial instead. This week I'm gonna keep it very short because it is warm in here. You can tell maybe that I'm like sweating and all red. It's actually the second day of very warm weather. We are not all that used to hot weather, and today it's been it's 30 degrees today. Yeah, I think so. So that is very hot for us. We are not used to it. So I'm just gonna show you my FOs today. No whips, because I mean there are no new whips to show you, but I do have FOs to show you. And the first one is my Shall We Fudge It, the mall I was doing. It's a cooperation of J.Hook Crochet and Debbie the Canadian Crocheter. And I'll put a link in the description box down below. If you still want to participate, you can. The purpose of the mall is that you just don't use a pattern and just let your hook take you where it goes. And if it doesn't work out, well, you just fudge it. I have to admit, I had to frog twice. Once, I explained last time, is because the ruffling on the bottom was too pronounced. It was not gonna work out, so I had to adapt it a little bit. And the second time is because I ran out of yarn. I had half a row to go and not enough yarn to do it, so I had to frog back a little bit to finish it. But I finished. And as always, the last row took forever. But without any further ado, my mall. I am still so in love with the colors. It is Ice Yarns Cakes Blue, and I just absolutely love the color. Now I believe there were 3 cakes in one pack. I could have used a fourth one, so I was kind of bummed, but I made it work with what I had. And this is kind of a capelet shawl, and I'll put it on so you can see on the front, and this is what I wanted. I'm gonna get up a little bit. See, it looks kind of like a capelet, and I made a string. I must be crazy to be wearing this with this temperature, but so in the front you have like a little shoulder shrug, and in the back you have a very fun, playful shawl. I am very happy with it, and I'm gonna work out a pattern to make this, because I could not, for the life of me, I would never be able to repeat it exactly the same. But I do like that it's a very odd and particular shape. I'll insert a picture of how it looks like flat on the table. It's not the best picture, but it'll give you an idea. So I'm very happy with this. And though I would be tempted to make another Shall We Fudge It, I just don't have the time. But I thought the concept was so much fun, and all the reactions, because you can post your pictures, because it's also a competition. You can post the pictures of your mall on the J.Hook Crochet Facebook group, and everybody's saying the same. I had so much fun. It's very fun because it's all yours. It's 100% you, your inspiration, you whatever, and yeah, it's basically you design your own thing. So if you have not done it yet, I can totally recommend it. And the other thing I have are, I actually wanted to show you because I know not everybody watches tutorials, because I mean, if you don't want to make it, what's the point of watching a tutorial? You might want to watch the first few minutes to see what it's about, but I mean, I don't watch tutorials just to watch them. I just look at the pictures. If I like them, I save it in a playlist and I'll come back to it later. But I don't watch tutorials all the way through. So I would like to show you the actual pieces that the tutorials are about. And the first tutorial of the Christmas in July fairies that I posted was, was to make these napkin rings. They are napkin rings made with memory wire. Yes, you can also wear them as bracelets because basically that's what they are. They are made with memory wire, and here I made one in the Hanukkah colors. And this was the one I had made already that I showed you earlier. And then I made also a larger one in the Christmassy red colors. And this one also fits a large candle. And that you can see in the tutorial. And I'll put the link down below. And then last week's tutorial, instead of the vlog, remember these little tea light candle holders? Well, Christmas in July, of course, I made green ones. But you don't have to make them in Christmas colors. You can make them in about any color you like. So I made this blue one. The light is washing it out a little bit. It kind of looks it looks like it's black, but it's actually blue. And then I made this set of 3 in pink and peach and gold. And I think they're very pretty too. Now, if you are interested in how to make these, that was last week's tutorial. And it's the Beaded Right angle weave tea lights, I think. Well, anyhow, the link is in the description box down below as well. And that's really it for this week. Like I said, it is way too hot up here, but I did want to pop in and say hi, and also apologize for not being there last week. Oh, also, I don't know if you noticed, but I changed my channel name. It was always meant to be Cat's Eye Catchers, but when I started, I thought I couldn't change my channel name without it being all sorts of problems. Turned out it's actually pretty easy to change it. I left my name, Catherine Noel, in it, so you can still recognize me, but from now on, I'm officially Cat's Eye Catchers. So welcome to Cat's Eye Catchers. Look who came to say hi, it's Saya. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. To my new subscribers, thank you very much for stopping by, and feel free to give this video a thumbs up and share if you want to. And as usually, I leave you with this completely useless fact, and that is that Nintendo already exists since 1889. Yes, they started as a playing card company. See you next week. Bye!